1.
Create 3D mesh. Cas. Part type body. Pick one. Export textures. Export mesh.
2.
Back to start. Create 3D mesh. Cas. Pick something matching. Export mesh.
3.
Open the jacket's Blender file. Remove what you want. Rename it. Save it. Open the replacement jackets file. Append your jacket. Object. Your jacket. Select the old top. Select your new jacket. In weight painting, transfer weights. On old top, delete vertices. Scale anything in that doesn't seem to fit. Now join jacket to the main one. Save. Edit the texture file if need be. Re-import and customize. Done! Something new, something used, something borrowed.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.